Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome to the 5-ish minute private family banking podcast. We're going to walk through private family banking step by step. We're going to walk through what is it. We're going to walk through why do it. We're going to walk through how does it work. We're going to walk through anything adjacent to it to include sometimes maybe current economic stuff that's going on. And and I'm really excited to share this with you because what we've got here is a system that has been proven over time to work and to give you better control of your money. Okay. There's books out there about it. This book right here, Banker's Secret to Permanent Family Wealth, is one I would recommend. I can get you a copy if you're interested in reading more about it. But I'm going to start this whole series by asking you one question. It's a little bit of a long question, so bear with me because there's a lot of pieces to it. You go to work every day, you earn money. That money most likely goes into a checking account of some kind. Okay. And then you use that checking account to cover your daily expenses, to pay for stuff, to, whatever, right? If that dollar that you put into your checking account, instead of putting it there, you redirected it somewhere else, okay? Maybe a private family bank. If you redirected it somewhere else, and if that dollar could still be liquid, because that's why you have it in a checking account, you have access to it, right? If it could still be liquid, if it could be safe from, market volatility, free from that, right? If it could be growing uninterrupted, if it could be growing guaranteed, if it could be growing tax-free, okay? If it could be free from protected from creditors, right? If it could be, we're not going to call it inflation proof, but largely outpacing inflation, semi-inflation proof. And we'll talk more about that. If it could be controlled by you, and if it could be free from any of the fees and penalties that are associated with a lot of financial instruments out there. If it could be all those things, and if you could use your dollar for major medical expenses, similar to an HSA, if you could use that same dollar for college savings, similar to 529 plan, or retirement planning, similar to a Roth IRA, or maybe you have some consumer debt that you want to reduce or eliminate, if it could be used to help you do that, if it could be used to fund or finance major life purchases such as cars or homes or something like that. If it could be used as a pool of capital that you can then access for different investments that you might want to do, real estate or something else, right? If it could be used, if you're a business owner, if it could be used to help fund some of the larger expenses that maybe you need a new piece of equipment for the business, if it could be used as a pool of capital that you have access to help pay for that, right? If it could also be used as a tool for guaranteed tax-free wealth transfer, all of those things. And if you could use that dollar more than one time, would you be interested in learning more about it? That is really the crux of what we're trying to get at here. I think that by the end of this, you'll be convinced of a few different things, but hopefully you're just interested enough based off of that to want to learn more about, hey, all those things that Mike just said, are they really true? Do they really work? And the reality is they do, because what private family banking is it's putting money into a system, okay, into a system that is designed to work for you. It's controlled by you. You're in control of your money, and it has uninterrupted growth. Okay. Now, that is one of the key powerful parts, is that it's uninterrupted. You can do a lot of things with your money. You can save it, you can spend it, you can invest it, you can give it away. Okay. But none of those things offers uninterrupted growth. Okay. And this is something that really does. Now, I said 5-ish minute podcast, so I'm going to let it go for now. Next time when we get into this, we're going to come back with weekly episodes, okay? And we'll try to keep them 5-ish minutes, but I want to make sure that you understand whatever the topic is. So Next time when you come back, we're going to talk a little bit more about some of the benefits, some of the things that a private family banking insurance policy will do for you. It is an insurance policy. There's no trying to get around that. But the way that you've thought about life insurance up to this point is about to be radically transformed because this is something completely different. Okay. Signing off for now. Subscribe, like, share it with your friends. We're trying to spread the word about what private family banking is and how it can work for you guys. So until next time, out.